Uya kigimo mwanchu muligeli bwen soko TV tuko nili umukubyo kitali kibero mutinyo 11 mutinyo chakiro mwanchu muligeli bali kibaitoni go balase chinsemo bagendete gotusanyira ligotoretera amayonsi go chasemesa ito ya mayiga iga soko TV litukoda gatebiru na lili umukubyo mwanchu muligeli go kogenda kubwatemero bili tukurwa chagete mambi na gwikira bono iga na hande na bokogenda gotubwatia sensemo ya Facebook boy gotubwatia sensemo ya YouTube aiga ne soko TV elitaliane Innocent Onyango. Mwancho muligeli to chaka norobotiro goichania asomusayo yo mobwe myaka yegatua Selieta Advinyo ngaki kurwa ekenyoro kya Isamwera gotoka se bunge abo basi imeye county ya Kisii akagere goitwa nabantu batamanyiri asensemo ya Busongo ward ya Kitutu Central emambia yali tukolia lero na ase agokagerwa ngani gaibete pigipigi nonyarabo korengana ne amate yaje nigo batuguteirale chingumechyo asabagoteba umusayo itana gotwara embwa yo neyo egotekana sabonoiga bonigo basabire abo busabo butuki nabo igabanyanyimbo begeta seni kyanyanchwa banyari ko bakogendera gukora butuki na asumubero yo rusiwe na koirwa ase enkendwe yamo monyoli ito Bethel Machini no ari kurwa senseme ya ensemo ya Busongo no na robotiro kubwati
umwana yaro muigwana umwana okonya amenye to mabei umwana ngakina bakinete buya andi gatikabere mamu mwabaga kali kwerenda yari isiko tamenye tio lakini nende jinta kana icho asini to jirendete wano maite na ikira saa 11 nkorangeri bwana ngakio beiro gusira amana muna na ikire gaiga nabona nyorira ale para elinda asirete akururiri okorana meji abetire okorana meji bamubetete emioyo ne yende bakamwaka somoto lakini samagena ya bamubekerete ebara tingwegena narari goito mwana okorekana na ajeto mabei bakamurusio bakamarenta bacha kumuitira gaige kwerenda boso munyangena ono jene na beri no gogumia mwana otari mukabara mwana okana amenyete ngocharika aindoira na asamenye to mabe ona nje na ichanire gento kiabeire kente kebemono amamumu abataria kindu kuchiane na gitore gaiga na gwa bangina rume nabamura bamu abombaro ena to mama mbia bana ubacha ko murigereria nanyora maene inchira bali incherari na akuerete na nje muna na ikiroro gento kerensa moja na nusuga abana nyorira maene mwana ina akuereto lakini okorrekanana abantu bali geti komuita serikali tigakora uchunguzi sababu yaje abande ngokana bali ngena tia komuita na abande bagoteba na muite murusio
oyo gosirete ngase niyane ntomo manyiti bina monto makora no tuakina ne goikabuna bono mambi twanyorira pari nga ikaiteire Busongo ono tore no goichano konene gotogosabe serikali okora uchunguzi isaine tumanye kiriki ari komuitangeriki
igobono mane bu mwana otio banyorekane tumanye ngakingi kimuitete na bamolete gembara bia serikali eteme okora uchunguzi ya
serikali enyare gofuatiria sobwango enyare gotoa bwene wogo gose enyare gotoa obwarabu buonga kingana keitire asengenjo yare ko banga ne pigipigi emoitete anga ne pigipigi inere gabu next speed lakini asisa hii ndoranyora epigipigi yu asiri
kubatekana no mubasokano bwembura eyo yanyora liroba na goita bante 20 noyomo sabande 30 batamanyiri asibale chinsemo cha Chess Kongoch ekikireme county eliwe mara kwetu mu waziri bobulendi bweme moske kipchumba murukomeno enekiri gochia sabamenyi abu una serikali nigendete kobekemero belyo yoko bakonya nabo igo asatebire ugonchole kwelire na kukwaire ire mu basokano buno yo wokwanyoka kweliroba.
I think this is a catastrophe that is really very painful to all of us as a country, and I must really appreciate the work that has been done jointly between the Ministry of Interior, the Ministry of Defense, Public Works, county governments, non-state actors, especially led by Red Cross, the local community, the well-wishers. Many people are really calling us to say that they would really want to stand with the victims of this tragedy, notwithstanding what government will do. And I'm sure that the county government was working on something to ensure that we have a better ways of channeling this support. What I'm happy is that yesterday we had a very good turnaround in terms of response. And I hope that going forward we will continue farming up our capabilities as a country to respond to disasters. And with climate change, this is a phenomenon that we will be dealing with as time goes. And I want to wish all the injured persons quick recovery, continue condoling with the families that lost their loved ones, and request all of us to support each other. I have asked yesterday the local community to work together with the chiefs, the assistant chiefs, and the Ngao officers to make sure that all of us go to safe grounds. As the rains are still on, it's important that we move many of these people to the safe grounds. Along the entire Kerio Valley is actually under threat as it continues to rain, all the way from these sides of Baringo, Keyo side, Marakwet, West Pokot. There is always danger of landslides. And I think that our Ngao officers, our county commissioners, the regional commissioner is well briefed to make sure that we give out early warning and an alert to everybody to go to safe grounds. And if we work together like this, we'll be able to resolve this issue. Kwa hivyo ningetaka kuwatakia familia ambao wameumia, wamepoteza ndugu zao, tunawafariji, tunawatakia nguvu ya kutoka Mwenyezi Mungu, na wale wenye wameumia tunawaombea wapone haraka, na tunawashukuru madaktari kwa hospitali mbalimbali ambao wamejitokeza kusaidia wale wapone. Kwa hivyo siwezi kusema mengi sana kwa sababu ndugu yangu Geoffrey ashasema, na tunasaidiana pamoja kusonga mbele. Ninaamini ya kwamba tutapiga hatua kubwa sana leo kuhakikisha kwamba tumewafikia wale wako mashinani, na miili ambayo zimepatikana leo asubuhi na wale wamepotea bado wanatafutwa. Tutafanya kila liwezekanavyo kusaidiana, na nawashukuru sana kila mmoja kwa kujitokeza. Asanteni sana. Unless there is a question really. In terms of the bodies, yesterday, I remember I announced yesterday that there are 21 bodies that were found. 21 included the 2 that were found today.
Mancho muligerali noroboti ruomo waziri Kipchumba Murkomen. Tokanda bosio muraibwense Dr. William Ruto usabira bamenye bense moya Kakamega kubwatira na serikali yaye eligo ikirania magendero. Muske Ruto nigo amentire goteba ukwigwana kwaye na nyagusira Raila Odinga nigo kware gukorenta magendero na omurembe mensi ya Kenya. Abarai akurwa orogonguru rwa bosongo ya Kenya gose Western Kenya nigo bare sensemeyu na egati yabono monogeribwe bunge nene umuske Moses Masika Wetangula nabo igo Dr. Ruto nigo bono iga agendete gosanga amasabo esekanisa yamo Chinsemechu.
Niliketi chini na Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga tuondoe siasa ya chuki na ukabila na ubaguzi. Tuunganishe Wakenya wote. Tuwe timu moja ya taifa la Kenya. Kwa sababu Mungu anajua ni kwa sababu gani sisi wote ni Wakenya. Hakuna mtu tunaweza kumuuliza swali Mungu mbona kabila hii ama ile. Sisi wote bila ya kujali mipaka ya dini ama kabila ama sehemu. Sisi wote ni ndugu moja. Na ndio mimi nawauliza watu wa Shibei, watu wa Ikolomani, watu wa Kakamega, tafadhali mkubali tuungane kwa sababu umoja ni nguvu. Ama mnasemaje jameni? Mnakubali tuungane? Mnasema tuungane ama tutengane?
Rais, sitakuwa na mengi, ni kusema tu shukurani kubwa sana sana. Na rais pia nikubalie niseme asante sana kwa kuchagua Jane Imbunya kuwa PS wetu. Tena asante sana kwa kutupatia Vice Chancellor wetu wa Kaimos Friends University. Mwisho, asante kwa kukubali barabara hii ianzie huko na pande hii. Asanteni sana.
Hii maendeleo itaendelea kuja kusambazwa kila mahali kama tumeungana, tuko kitu kimoja. nyuma ya rais wetu William Samoei Ruto.
Yo kabero mokonyi bw'umurayi bwense umusikeri gathe Gachagua mochiri abamenye b'Chinsa mo chigetunwa kia Mount Kenya asoko chora abarayi batabwati ubumanyi bonde bwensi ase birogo byabo by'uburayi. Gachagua ni gatogiri umurayi gusabarayi bali batuchorire korwa ase kia magi ODM ikikire kia nyagosira Raila Amolo Odinga muri kibwe mwanchomegeli tigaturanya robotiru asenchira bwikirana.
As we mourn Raila Odinga, I must admit I admire two things about that old man. And I'm really very touched by his leadership. Look at the political party that he built called ODM. A strong political party that though he has never been elected president, he is able to get into every government and get what he wants. Because he has a strong political party. But most importantly, his political party, all the legislators are top-notch lawyers. These are the people who have protected Raila Odinga for 30 years. If you look at Raila's team, James Orengo, Otieno Kajwang, late, Omolo Atiende, Karoli Omondi, Peter Kaluma, Edwin Sifuna, Stewart Matiel, Catherine Muma, Mile Odhiambo, the bad girl, Beatrice Oyomo, Tom Ojieda, Okongo Mgeni, Mohamed Faki, Ochieng, and Babu Owino. Great minds. Great minds. Then nyinyi munanipatia Kawanjiko wa Matinga wa Makeki
So please feel free, but not just feeling free. Take it as your duty, as your obligation, if only for one reason, to ensure that there's good governance in this country.
We cannot have a country go down the drain while we call ourselves professionals. And so I want to ask that election time, an election is not an event, it is a process. And the process of the next election, you know what happened with the selection of William Ruto led IBC. I remember that my friend Raila, may God rest his soul in peace, had agreed that they would produce Professor, I forget the name now, the professor who is a member of IBC Selection Commission, and then Kokimulu was supposed to be in that. They wakachenga. Now we have a commission because you are sitting pretty. Now as we move on, I want to ask that all of you, living the spirit of the young Kenyans who have been abducted, put in those boots, charged under Potter.
Mancho muligereri owiyo mo senator we county ya Nyamiro somirwa selietelio no musike Gachagua toka ndabusio muri kibwe kiama kya ODM musike Edwin Sifuna otebire mamincha nengwana yo murayi bwense Dr. William Ruto una ekiama kya ODM nigoke bwitalisho gutwara umurwanire bwokuriye kirugo kyo bochorio bone imense ya Kenya mwaka w'ikiri 2025 nigatebire kiama kinge kikubake gutwara umuiruki webendera we kiama kyo liko ligyo murayi bwense na ndamona asanya ariko bagateba nga murayi bwense yaliganibya bagabana Abdul Samad Gladys Wanga na boigo uyo murayi we kiama kyo Buru Odinga nigo bale ase Chinsa mo chia magarini mugasoyo asabagendete gwakira a campaign Harrison Kombe oyo okoligia ekirogekyo obochori bakebulosio.
Wengine wanatuambia ati by elections za November 2027 party leader ati kuna candidates wa broad based. Broad based si chama. Na kama si chama haina candidates. Unajua nyinyi mmefanya kazi ya kura hapa. Kuna wamama wakiingia kwenye polling station kama hawajui jina ya candidate, wanasema mimi nataka ule wa ODM. Ukweli ama uongo? Kuna wale ambao hawajui hata candidate na chama, wanasema ile symbol ya baba, ile chungwa. Mimi nataka ule wa chungwa. So mniambie kala ya broad base ni gani? Na symbol ya broad base ni gani? Mtu akitoka kule mashinani aseme anataka mtu wa broad base, unampeleka wapi? Hakuna candidate wa broad base. Broad base is not a party. It is not a party. It does not exist anywhere. So what we want us to understand, leaders should not bring confusion to voters unless wanataka hawa candidates wetu waanguke kura. Unless umetumwa uangushe watu kura. Pale Magarini tukiingia, tunaingia kama wana ODM, wanachungwa. Rangi zetu zinajulikana, sera zetu zinajulikana, nembo zetu zinajulikana. Ukiona tu chungwa unajua ni nini? ODM. So we don't want people to bring confusion in this election. Jambo la mwisho, uchaguzi wa Novemba tarehe 27 ni wa madiwani na wabunge. Mnajua maeneo bunge yote ambaye kuna hizo chaguzi, si ndio? Hakuna uchaguzi wa urais Novemba tarehe 27. Hakuna uchaguzi wa urais Novemba tarehe 27. Ni madiwani, ma MCAs wetu na wabunge. Kwa hivyo, tunapoingia pale Magarini, nataka kuwaonya wale ambao wanatumia majukwaa ya kukampeinia candidates wetu wa by election kuleta mambo ya two term pale. Na Mheshimiwa Party Leader, hawa wote ambao unaona hapa ni members wa Central Committee. Tuliketi tukasikizana kwamba jambo ambalo halijasikizanwa ndani ya chama cha
na omwalimu nchumuligiriri kiumbe kyobochori imeyense ya Tanzania niyo kiamuraletie musike Samia Suluhu kobo muraibwense ase omunyakirogo gwe kiumbe kyo abanyare ko bagagatebanga andete yo nande baranyare ko babakoira amachibwa yo ekera aratoke kabwa tubututu kanunga katiba yabo goseli chikoli yabo ndiri gwanchira onde bwense anyare ko bakogenda posio bwe kigambero Murai Suluhu niganya tikabaga kwa gwe certificate n'umunyakirogo Jacobs Mwambengele na nigo atebete bocholibu nigo bwakorekanite asenchira endungi.
Mgombea aliyetangazwa kuwa mshindi wa kiti cha rais ni Mheshimiwa Dr. Samia Suluhu Hassan na Mheshimiwa Dr. Emmanuel John Nchimbi kuwa makamu wa rais wa Jamhuri ya Muungano wa Tanzania. Mgombea wa kiti cha rais akitangazwa na Tume Huru ya Taifa ya Uchaguzi kuwa amechaguliwa kuwa rais, hakuna mahakama yoyote itakayokuwa na mamlaka ya kuchunguza kuchaguliwa kwake.
Nalotaka kusema hapa ni kwamba kwenye suala la usalama wa nchi na taifa la Jamhuri ya Muungano wa Tanzania hakuna mbadala, bali ni kutumia mbinu zote za kiulinzi na kulibakisha taifa likiwa salama.
Wanchumulili kirabo twekira mwali wa Amayia Chinsa TV sitaliki Ibere buna nagatebia mutinyino 11 na namonoli tukolero nilio mukubia nindo chega iga Dominic Ondelio ikiraiga na monanyarika bakoreta emisa Chinsa asamatera manso chikobaga kwa mu makuru asigeta seni kigenda kubwatimiro bilito ase umtandao Facebook na bagonyaraka bagoto follow buna Chinsa TV ogenda sesemo ya YouTube otubwati buna Chinsa asogo subscribe na boygo mwanchumuligereri namba ito ye studio na bego na gwetana na bego na koyeligereria na ili Italiane Innocent Onyango.
Eye Chinsa TV uboroso bw'umugusi magega ya television Chinsa gwikasero yawo kwanyoriribaga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuralia bukwenyulia ogukwa gose okubunchuria bono nabokonyoribaga lyabene liyokuralia asegete senieke asoliguri liyakibusani tolikere gose twakresimi gwitire namba yaito yobunchuria 0788666662
Buya kegemo mwancho muligari bwa Chinsa TV asoko igoro murangu na gutwanchira goswa enka yawe mambia bono
Buya kigimana inde aso twanjira kobali yogiritanga ni kwegure nyumba mwago emambie.
Ensoko bwa kiro mwancho muligereri ncheni Innocent Onyango.
Diana Ndem.
Togenda se gazeti ya The Daily Nation asaba tebanga ikiama gyo DM ge kwamba kororekananga gatigati ya mwatikano nororo ikiama gitamanyikana tigo sekere serikali